This is Electra, my Senegal Parrot. She's going to the vet today to get her beak filed a little bit, and her nails cut, and her checkup. So this is what her beak looks like beforehand. Okay.
He's just scared of her.
I'll get nailed, right?
No problem.
From the flash. It's going to nail me now. Hi, Alexa. What a good girl. Pretty girl. I know it's a little loud. You're a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're all right. You're all right. Your dad's hiding outside the room.
Oh no, I was admiring the parrot.
Yeah, right. The men are the worst. They're always so scared about seeing anything. I'm blunting it for you, Donna.
All right. No more biting.
Yeah.
No more biting.
Can't take it off, but I can blunt it.
I just don't want to see you take a chunk out of your fingers.
Mine, no, thank you. I'm very careful. I get nailed more by little guys like Budgie than I do by big guys.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because you're more careful with big guys for some reason, and the little guys, like cockatiels, have really long necks, and they just always end up nailing you somehow.
Yeah. I think if you're more direct with her, she'd be calm.
Sorry?
When you were more direct with her, she's calm.
Yeah.
But if she senses fear, forget it.
Oh, yeah, I know. No, and most birds are like that. No, just a little bit on the side.
Now she's going to be all nice and shiny.
She will be.
And maybe she likes it now.
I don't think that's a look of love. Right. I think that's a look of, oh my God.
What you doing to me?
I know.
She had lots of layers in her.
Yeah, she did. It's okay, it's a spa day.
Good girl.
Give her a couple of peanuts when she gets home.
Ooh, bribery's always a good thing. My bird won't take it off of me for a good day or two after this.
Oh, really?
He's like, you think peanuts is going to help? I don't think so. And then after about 2 days, he's okay.
Pretty girl. Wow. Pretty.
Pretty angry, too.
Pretty girl.
You're okay, Alexa. Just your toes. Hold on. And you know how I saw her last time she was a bit off, she was a bit quiet? Is she okay now?
Yeah, she's fine. I figured out that she's just afraid of me.
Yeah, she what?
She's afraid of me.
Oh, all right.
That's why she acts weird when she sees me.
Afraid of you or you're afraid of her? Which one?
That's right, yeah.
The small bird complex. Want a piece of me? Are we doing blood work on either her or your other one today?
No.
You're getting tired out, sweetie. We're almost done, teddy bear. We're almost done. Almost done.
There, you're all better now, Electra? All nice? Huh? It's all done. Your nails. Good girl.